Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to view and manage your site cookies in your Chrome app on your Android phone. So say suppose this is the website where I want to clear the cookies. So what I can do is I can tap on this customize icon in the address bar, and here at the second option you can see this cookies and site data, and there is a delete command here where it will just delete the cookies stored for this particular website. Now if I want to delete the cookies for all the websites entire on your Chrome app, what I can do is I can just tap on this three dot and select the clear browsing data, and from more options I can just disable the checkbox for other and choose only cookies and site data option, and tap on this clear data command, which will delete the cookies data for all the websites. So in this way you can clear and manage the browser cookies on your Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.